Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you beautiful people doing this morning? I hope everyone is doing fine. Well, this is 2 straight days of cold weather overnight. And I come out here this morning and I realize my plants, you could naturally see the ice on top of them. Yeah, you could naturally see the ice on top of these plants. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? The ice, and that is not good. So I'm gonna try to wet them with a little warm water this morning again and see my beautiful okra slip them is really struggling. All my plants them is struggling from this cold weather. So if this is the case, I will definitely put them inside overnight. Yeah. All my edibles I stuck in the containers. I can't do that, so now I got to take them out and maybe put them inside. This is really not good at this moment, so I'm just trying to put a little warm water. You see the dirt is frozen. You see what's going on? The dirt is frozen. All my little plant is struggling. Yeah, this need me. I gotta go and check my garden to see what's going on over there. Yeah, but for what I'm seeing right here, the herbs them is really struggling through this frost. I can't wait till the last frost pass, so I ain't gotta worry again. For what I'm seeing here right now, the plants them is really struggling. Yeah, they're really struggling to the frost, but it's okay. It's okay. I have faith that they're gonna come right back. Because the right take care of them, I'll guarantee you they will looking beautiful again. And the sun gonna come out and shake them up today. But if it's gonna be cold like this tomorrow, I'm gonna put them inside. This is my pepper tree. I was trying to reel this pepper tree in this bucket, and the frost come and hit it, so I understand. Not getting mad at all, because they still have life. And the frost is almost gone, so I'm not really worrying about that. Thank you guys. This is just an update on my herb. Frost has lay a toll on my herbs, so it's just an update. Anyhow, how you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Don't forget the water challenge. Don't forget, keep liking the videos, sharing the videos. New viewers, please subscribe, because there are going to be lots of great videos coming your way. Thanks each and every one of you. I appreciate you guys. Have a blessed and wonderful day.